Hey sugar pies, how you guys doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're mostly welcome. Please make sure you do subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any upload from me. I upload video about beauty, fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, it's a hair video. This video was influenced by a fellow content creator, by a fellow Tanzanian content creator. Her name is Miriam Tutorials. You can check out her channel and subscribe. She does her videos in Swahili. So I was like, you know what, this is easy, I can do it. So I bought the stuff, and now I want to do it on camera so you guys can judge. I've never done this hairstyle before, so I'm just gonna do it. It's gonna be like, you can follow along, okay? You can just follow along. If you want to do this hairstyle, you can just follow along. And here are the things that you need for this hairstyle.
If I was smart, I'd find you a star, and we could be in love, lighting up the dark. But there's nothing I can do, I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle, like if somebody be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream, it's how I feel, that you deserve better than me.
So you're going to have to comb your hair and tight it.
If I was smart, I'd find you a star, and we could be in love, lighting up the dark.
And then I'm going to take my gel and lay down my hair. So that I'm done applying gel on my hair and it's all looking good. I'm gonna take my hairpiece. And make sure like I comb it thoroughly. And then you take your bobby pin and just tie this in the middle of your hair. And then you take this and make sure you place it on the center of your hair, like that. A little section from the hair, like that.
If I was smart, I'd find you a star, and we could be in love, lighting up the dark. But there's nothing I can do, I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle, like if somebody be so beautiful, yeah.
So now that we are done, just like that, so you have your bun like that. I think I did a pretty good job, apart from like, I see this side here, it's anyways, I think I did a great job.
Oh yeah, it's only a dream, it's how I feel, that you deserve better than me.
final look. I hope you guys I enjoy doing this hair. I've never done this kind of hairstyle. I don't know, in forever. Maybe I've never done it. So I enjoy doing this hairstyle. I kind of like it, and the hair color goes so well with my skin tone, and it's just, I didn't do such a pretty good job, but it's not a bad job either. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to attempt to try and do this hairstyle. I would love to know. If you're on Instagram, you can also tag me. My Instagram name is right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay blessed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Bye.